Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Super 8 by Wyndham Buena Vista. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located 40 miles from the Monarch Ski and Snowboard Area, this Buena Vista motel features a heated indoor pool, hot tub and on-site laundry facilities. Free Wi-Fi is included in all guest rooms. All rooms at the Super 8 Buena Vista include cable TV. Featuring Southwestern-influenced decor, the bright rooms include tea and coffee making facilities and a fridge. A work desk is provided. The Super 8 Buena Vista offers a 24-hour reception. A business center fully equipped with fax and photocopying services is available. The Lost Mine tour of Chaffee County is 42 minutes drive from the motel. The Eddyline Restaurant and Brewery is 1.5 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.